I bought a quick release holder for my action camera and tire pressure monitoring system. It's made up of alloy, so you will not have any problem with rust. Also, it has a lock. I will attach it to the motorcycle. Wow, it is super stable. Now I can easily remove and attach my action camera with a simple slide and push of button. This is very useful when I'm parking my motorcycle. Now I can easily put my action camera and tire pressure monitoring system in my compartment.